Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we are going to talk about unpivoting a Spark data frame. So if you ever worked with data that has too many column or wide format data and you wish to transform this data into row wise format or a long format, then this video for you. We will break down what unpivot mean and why it is useful and how to apply it step by step using Spark DataFrame API. So let's get started. Alright, let me show you how to unpivot a data frame. Okay, so unpivoting is a useful when your data is a wide format, meaning you have a many column representing similar value. For example, revenue 2021, revenue 2022, revenue 2023, and so on. You want to convert it into long format or a row wise format that is easier to analyze. To do this in a Spark, we use unpivoting operation on a data frame. So let's quickly understand what unpivot does. So if we go to documentation, you will see unpivot is a part of data frame API. Its main purpose to transform data from wide format into long format or a row wise format. So here how it works conceptually. First, you provide id column. These are the column you want to keep as each. Okay, you can provide one or more column as a id column. Okay, when you specify value column, and then we need to specify value column. These are the column you want to convert into row. In our case, revenue 2021, 2022, 2023, and so on. We want to convert this column into row column. Okay, when you unpivot, Spark create two new column. One column that store original column name and another column that store this corresponding value. One store this column name, means 2021, 2023, 22, and 23, and so on, and these are the corresponding value, means south revenue 21, and here corresponding value this one, south revenue 2022, and here is the corresponding value this one. Okay, and you can choose the name of both these two column using argument variable column name and value column name argument. In any way, unpivoting is a reverse of group by pivot and aggregation operation. Instead of corresponding row into column, unpivot expand column into row. Okay, behind the scenes Spark create behind the scenes Spark produce one row per id and value pair. Okay, and all value pair must have share same data type. For example, integer type and long type are casted to long type. Integer type and string type do not work because it's failed to unpivoting. Okay, now let's see this in action. This is much easier to clarify this unpivoting operation. So let's see demo. All right, so let's see this in action. This will make everything much clearer. So let us suppose I want to convert this wide format into long format. So let me run this. I have already created data frame for demonstration purpose. Okay, so let us suppose we want to convert this into long format using unpivot operation. So we want to keep this as it is, John column, and other column revenue 2021, 2022. I want to convert this column name into in a single column as a year, and their corresponding value here is the sales amount in another column called as a sales. Okay, so let's use here data frame our variable df, and then use here this is a API pivot. Okay, so let me write here without using any import function. Okay, so let me use here John column as a id column first argument, and then we need to provide this revenue 21 2022 as a year column. So we need to pick this as a list. So let me quickly write here list of this column name as a second argument. Okay, you can see here value column. Then we need to also use here variable column name and value column name for their column name. Okay, so we need to provide in list. Okay, so let me delete one. and then first we name it as a year. Okay, so let me write here as a year column, and then this is the revenue value. So you can write this as a revenue or a sales. So let me write here as a sales revenue. Okay, and let me use here display function to preview of result. So let me run this, and we successfully convert this wide format into long format using unpivot operation. Okay, so this is how you unpivot data frame in a Spark, and together with the pivoting, it's give a powerful control over a reshaping your data. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.